The overall goal of this experiment is to investigate the formation of ice and heat and mass transfer when water and high-concentration cold brine are in direct contact.
This method can help answer key questions in the heat and mass transfer field. For example, relating to ice production and energy storage. The main advantage of this technique is that it does not require low evaporator temperature and it is efficient.
This experiment requires 35 to 40 liters of brine prepared in small quantities. In order to prepare a small batch, begin with 4 kilograms of water in a plastic 5-liter beaker and 1 kilogram of sodium chloride, as measured by an electronic scale. Pour the salt into the beaker with water and then stir the mixture until the solution is clear. The next step is to test the density with a U-tube density meter. Use a 10 milliliter syringe and draw about 10 milliliters of the solution as a sample. Inject the sample into the U-tube density meter and ensure that there are no air bubbles before proceeding. At the density meter controls, enter the temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Then start the measurement. Compare the reading with the reference value and adjust the water and salt content as necessary. The collected brine should be stored in a freezer held at minus 40 degrees Celsius. It should be kept there until it reaches its freezing point, 48 to 72 hours. The freezer will hold other items prepared for the experiment. There are 2 blocks of ice that will be used for injecting water.